Today we're going to be using a Pizzazz pizza maker to make chocolate chip cookies. And it's super easy to do, not a lot of cleanup, takes about 15 minutes. And I've done this many times before. It's pretty much bulletproof. I just take pre-cut cookie dough and I basically roll it into a ball and just flatten it a bit. And if you don't have any pre-cut cookie dough that you can get, you can just take a spoon and scoop pieces of cookie dough and then roll that up and flatten it. And we just want to make sure it's flat so that it cooks evenly. Otherwise you get kind of mixed results. Once you have your cookie dough flattened out and ready to go, you're going to want to go ahead and put it on the Pizzazz. And this part is somewhat important, especially if you're making a lot of cookies. You want to make sure that these are spread out, because as they start to cook, they'll expand, and if you don't have enough space between them, then the cookies start kind of fusing together. And then I set my settings to dual, so that means I'm getting heat from the bottom and the top. And then I set my timer to just a little bit over 6 minutes. And then once you have that set, you're ready to go. This is probably the most important part of the whole process. Once you are done baking the cookies, you have to let them sit for another 5 to 10 minutes. That's when they'll start solidifying and you'll really develop that crunch. If you take them off too early, they'll just kind of be soft and fall apart. So here you can see when I pull it off, I smack it against the plate to kind of demonstrate that it is hard, but then if I break it open, there is still some gooiness in the middle. So try it out, let me know in the comments how it goes.